Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 6 and the name of the unit is a fit and healthy life. Consonant clusters. Read the given consonant clusters with their words. Two consonant cluster and three consonant clusters. जैसे BR brush, bread, brain, FL floor, flower, fly. यहाँ पे थ्री कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर हैं SPL स्प्लैश, स्प्लेंडिड, स्प्लिट, STR स्ट्रेट, स्ट्रॉ, स्ट्रीम. यहाँ पे देखें अ कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ टू और मोर कॉन्सोनेंट्स इन अ वर्ड. कि कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर क्या होता है कि किसी एक वर्ड में दो या दो से ज़्यादा का एक ग्रुप होता है. ईच कॉन्सोनेंट कीप अस ऑन इट्स ओन साउंड इन द वर्ड. कि हर एक जो कॉन्सोनेंट होता है वर्ड में उसका अपना एक अलग साउंड होता है. अ कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर कैन बी इन द इनिशियल और फाइनल पोजीशन ऑफ अ वर्ड. ये शुरू में भी हो सकता है और आखिर में भी हो सकता है. जैसे यहाँ पे जो है वो फाइनल है, मतलब ये कि जो स्टार्ट एंड पे आ रहे हैं. जैसे FTS ये क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं. तो गिफ्ट्स, क्राफ्ट्स, ड्राफ्ट्स, अटेम्प्ट, प्रॉम्प्ट और कंटेम्प्ट. यहाँ पे 2 हैं और यहाँ पे 3 हैं. Read the given sentences, underline the words with consonant clusters and write them in their column. जैसे brush, flowers, splendid, stream, help, asked, craft, attempted. Learning to speak, read the and practice the given dialogue. यहाँ पे dialogue दिया गया है, इसको आपने रीड आउट करना है. Arrange a debate competition about healthy and unhealthy food. Sara, Assalamu alaikum. I am in favor of healthy food. Food is an essential part of our growth. Aksa, walaikum salam. I believe that eating junk food can make you feel happy. Amna, but junk food can make children lazy. Sara, unhealthy food does not contain any essential nutrients needed for the growth of the body. Aksa, but junk foods are served in the restaurants and everyone enjoy it. Rabia, yes, you are right, but if we eat only junk food, then we will become fat. Aksa, yes, sure, I am with you. Answer this question. Why did the school invite Dr. Haroon? The school had invited Dr. Haroon to talk about personal hygiene matters and raise awareness about COVID-19. What did Dr. Haroon tell the children about keeping personal hygiene? Dr. Haroon told the children to wash their hands for 20 seconds, wear mask and keep distancing. Why is junk food unhealthy? Discuss. Junk food is unhealthy as it makes you lazy and causes a lot of problems related to the heart, liver, eyes and brain. Influential ending. An influential ending is a letter or a group of letters. कि इन्फ्लुएंशियल एंडिंग क्या है, ये एक लेटर भी हो सकता है या फिर लेटर्स का एक ग्रुप भी हो सकता है. एडिड टू द एंड ऑफ अ वर्ड, जो कि किसी वर्ड के एंड पे ऐड किया जाता है. टू चेंज इट्स फॉर्म, उसकी फॉर्म को चेंज करने के लिए. जैसे यहाँ पे डी एक्साइटेड, यहाँ पे वियरिंग, यहाँ पे ईट्स और यहाँ पे washes. Make 3 words with the given influential ending in your notebook. Caps, goes, jumping, marked. Compound words. A compound word is a combination of 2 or more words that produce a word with a new meaning. कंपाउंड वर्ड दो या दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स का मजमूआ होता है जो कि मिलकर एक नया वर्ड बनाता है जिसके डिफरेंट मीनिंग होते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे सन है और लाइट है, तो सन लाइट। हेड डिच हेडिच, बेड रूम बेडरूम, टूथ ब्रश प्ले ग्राउंड। Match the given words to make compound words and write them in the given blanks. Butterfly, strawberry, extraordinary, rainbow. Read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct option. The school invited a doctor. The students were wearing masks. We should wash our hands with soap. Never take medicine on an empty stomach. Dash food keeps us strong and fit, healthy. Read the given words with their meaning. Hygiene, to keep yourself and your environment clean. हिफ्ज़ान सेहत का इल्म. Prevent, to stop something from happening. परहेज़. Viral, caused by a virus. Germs, microbes that cause infection. Jarasimo, plenty, enough, kasir. Read the given homophones and their use. Right, right. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spelling and meaning. Homophones क्या होते हैं कि जिनको हम जब प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो उनका एक ही साउंड आता है, लेकिन उसके मीनिंग भी अलग होते हैं और उसके स्पेल भी अलग होते हैं। जैसे राइट, यू गेव द राइट आंसर, आपने दुरुस्त जवाब दिया। राइट, ही हैड टू राइट अ रिपोर्ट ऑन हेल्दी फूड। यहाँ पे राइट क्या है? दुरुस्त। और यहाँ पे राइट क्या है? लिखना। मीट मीट, ब्रेक ब्रेक, और एट एट, वीक वीक। Fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. I saw sunrise with my son. Sun सूरज और sun बेटा. Am I allowed to read the given text aloud? Maryam had bought 4 new dresses for her daughter. One of my school teams won the cricket match. I want to add more information in the newspaper ad. Unscramble the words and learn their meanings. Junk, after, health, ops, visit, wash. Pronouns are words that are used in the place of noun. For example, I, you, we, they, us, our, etc. प्रोनाउन ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो कि नाउन की जगह पे हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे वी, आवर, देयर, हर, यू, इट वगैरह. Read the unit again and circle any 5 pronouns, then use them in your own sentences. Her, you, we, him, me. Subject pronouns are often the subject of the sentence. Who and what the sentence is about. Object pronouns are often the object of the verb who or what is acted upon. A pronoun that shows possession or ownership is called a possessive pronoun. यहाँ पे फ़ाइली इसम ज़मायर जो है वो एक जुमले का फ़ाइल होता है। कौन और क्या जुमले के मुतल्लिक होता है। मफ़ूली इसम ज़मायर अक्सर फ़ेल का मफ़हूम होते हैं, जैसे कौन या क्या पर अमल होता है। और एक इसम ज़मीर जो कि कस्बा या मलकियत को ज़ाहिर करता है उसको मलकियती इसम ज़मीर कहते हैं। यहाँ पे कुछ रीडिंग है इन तीनों किस्मों की. यूज़ टू सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस ईच इन योर sentences and write them in your notebook. Subjective pronouns they are going to zoo. I am learning my lesson. Objective, us, she gave us a bag. Me, my mother bought me a dress. Possessive, yes, yours. This car is yours. His, this shop is his. Read the given sentences and tick the verb that agree with the subjects. My mother likes to eat vegetables. Sports keep us healthy. The bird is chirping in its nest. They do not waste their time. Pakistanis are brave people. Read the given narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph retells an event. It has a beginning, middle and ending. कि नरेटिव जो पैराग्राफ होता है वो हमें किसी भी इवेंट के बारे में बताता है। उसका स्टार्ट भी होता है, उसका मिडल भी होता है और फिर उसका इख्तिताम भी होता है, उसकी एंडिंग भी होती है। Write a narrative paragraph about any memorable incident of your school life. Memories are the part of everyone's life. A man always remembers the good days of his life. The school life is the best life. Once there was an exhibition in my school. I cannot forget that day. Everyone was working in groups. I was also working with my friends. We made a model of vacuum cleaner. The whole school was making a lot of things when we presented our model in the exhibition. Unexpectedly, we got the first prize. That was a very excited moment when our names were called to get prize. Creative writing. Write a paragraph on how you spend your time at home during the uh, coronavirus lockdown. Mention any new skill you learned during this lockdown. I spent my time with my family. I helped my mother in home tasks. I learned a lot about healthy food and personal hygiene. After learning about healthy food, I left over to eat junk food. The junk food is too much dangerous for our health. Through internet, I improved my English grammar. I made a lot of paintings and enjoyed a lot. Read the given text and circle the words with the diphthongs. It was a Monday morning. Monday, ground, school, teachers, sport, nervous, somehow, myself, sky. Write two words of each given consonant cluster. Initial position, final position. String, straw, spring, spread, through, thread. Hunts, burnt, first, thirst, prompt, contempt. Arrange a discussion in class about healthy habits. Healthy habits are very important for a healthy body. The issue of a healthy lifestyle is very serious, but people take it very lightly. First of all, taking exercise is a healthy habit. Exercise make you fit. Secondly, eat only healthy food and avoid junk food. Thirdly, wake up early in the morning, which makes you active and healthy. Lastly, connecting with the positive minds, because more you indulge with these people, then less you will go to negative sides. Answer the given questions. How do you spend your summer holidays? Mention some activities. I do my homework, visit my relatives, and spend my time with my family in summer holidays. Why should we take care of our personal hygiene? We should take care of our personal hygiene to stay healthy. How can germs make us ill? Germs invade the body and kill our body cells. As a result, we became ill. Make compound words with the given words and write them in the blanks below. Sunflower, wheel, chair, star, fish, tooth, brush, cup, cupcake. Read the given words and write their meaning. Pandemic, epidemic, chair, happy, prevent, to stop something happening, hygiene, to keep yourself and environment clean, precautions, protection. Write two nouns in each of given columns to a gender noun. King, lady, tigress, girl, chicken, hat, man, ocean. Read the given text, encircle the common noun and underline the proper noun. कॉमन नाउन में फैमिली, ट्रिप, प्लेसेस और प्रॉपर नाउन में आबिद, मरी, समर हॉलीडेज़, अंकल सलीम्स हाउस, पिंडी पॉइंट, पथरियाट, नथिया गली, पथरियाटा, नथिया गली, मरी और कश्मीरी शॉल्स, माल रोड, embroidered bags. Rewrite the given paragraph using the word subject, verb or agreement. Next month we is going to the Clifton Beach. We were. My sister liked this idea, liked because she liked the natural beauty, likes. My brother and I want s नहीं लगेगा. My father say he are going to take us fishing. My father says s का इजाफा होगा, he is going to take us fishing. This time नहीं आएगा. I hopes the weather is very good. Hopes नहीं, I hope. We can go out in the sea. My mother will cook the fish. Rewrite the given paragraph by using correct pronunciation, punctuation and capitalization. डॉक्टर में डी कैपिटल आएगा और हारून में एच कैपिटल होगा. इसी तरह से यहाँ जहाँ पे सेंटेंस ख़त्म होता है वहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप आएगा. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो कैपिटल होगा. इसी तरह से जैसे आवर फूड यहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप और जंक का जे कैपिटल होगा. फॉर अस के बाद फुल स्टॉप और सो का एस कैपिटल होगा और एंड पे फुल स्टॉप.